The pneumohydraulic jack of the NORDBERG H model 3322L will provide a large load capacity of 22 tons with its small size. It is based on a conventional hydraulic jack, but the drive is carried out by receiving a pump that is installed in the same housing with the jack itself. Included with the jack are extension adapters for 20, 50, and 100 mm. They are easily installed on the jack and quickly changed if necessary. The built-in safety valve provides a high level of protection of the equipment from possible overloads. The operating pressure is 6.2 atmospheres. The minimum height is 225 mm, the maximum height is 465 mm. The long handle has 3 positions for added convenience when working. Note the mobility of the pneumatic jack. It can be quickly moved to the right place due to the presence of a lever and wheels, which is very practical when performing repair and installation work.